Hi, I'm A Bissen. In this video, we're going to cover what items are needed for a conventional loan program. We're going to divide this information up through 4 different categories: income, assets and reserves, other, which is more generic, and transaction specific. These are going to be items that are going to be needed specific to your real estate transaction. Let's get started. So the first category is income. This is how we actually make the determination of your ability to repay the new loan. We'll need your pay stubs for the most recent 30 days. Now, of course, we're going to be looking for pay stubs throughout the process, all the way through the closing as well. You'll provide us with your W-2s and, if you have them, 1099s for the most recent 2 tax years. We also need tax returns for the most recent 2 tax years. These are your personal federal income tax returns. We don't need state returns. We do need all pages and all schedules of every return. Now, if you're self-employed, you also need to provide a copy of your business tax returns. A lot of businesses actually just file the income on your Schedule C of your personal tax returns. So if that applies to you, just provide us your personal tax returns. However, if you have a corporation or a limited liability company, LLC, then you'll need to provide us with the most recent 2 tax years worth of your business returns as well. The next category is assets and reserves. Now, the assets and reserves are where the lender is tracking the money for your cash to close and the reserve requirement for your loan program. We'll need all of your bank statements, checking, savings, money market, etc., all monthly type accounts for the most recent 2 months of bank statements. If you're self-employed, we'll need the most recent 3 months of bank statements. Now, if you have retirement accounts such as an IRA, SEP IRA, 401k, etc., simply download the most recent quarterly statement and provide that to your lender along with the withdrawal terms. The withdrawal terms are usually found on the same website where you download the statements. The next category is the other category. This is more generic information. We'll start off by asking for your photo ID. Usually we ask for a valid driver's license or a state-issued ID. If you've had a prior derogatory housing event in the last 7 to 10 years, examples being a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a short sale, or a deed in lieu, there's specific information required for each of these. If it's a bankruptcy, provide all paperwork and including the discharge. If it's a foreclosure, we need the full court order. If it's a short sale or a deed in lieu, we need a fully executed copy of the settlement statement. If you were in a prior marriage within the last 10 years, be prepared to provide a copy of your divorce decree and your marital settlement agreement. Now, if you have additional homes, such as a primary residence, a second home, vacation home, or even an investment property, for each of those that you own, make sure that you provide the following items. We need the most recent mortgage statement, or if you own the home free and clear, provide us a deed showing proof that there's no lien on the property. Provide the most recent property tax bill, your homeowner's insurance policy declarations page, and, if applicable, provide us proof of the homeowners association dues. Are you selling your current home before you close on the new home? If that's the case, simply provide us with a sales contract and be prepared to send us a fully executed copy of the closing disclosure on the day that the old home closes. And the final category is transaction-specific items. These are items that are going to be specific to your real estate transaction. First, send a fully executed sales contract with all addendums to your lender. Provide a copy of your earnest money deposit to your lender. This is the check that you provided to the title company when you wrote the offer. After it's cleared your account, provide a front and back copy from your online banking, and then provide your lender with a 30-day activity statement showing that the check has cleared your balance. And don't forget to provide your lender with a homeowner's insurance quote within the first week or 2 after you go under contract. The sooner, the better. And as a special thank you for sticking around to this video, head over to the link in the description below. All you have to do is click on the document checklist button and it'll automatically download a document checklist for the items we just described. And that's it. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you'd like more information about conventional financing, hit the link in the description below. If you'd like more mortgage-related educational content, consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you. Of course, if you're looking to purchase, refinance, or get pre-approved to purchase a home anywhere in the Greater Tampa Bay Area, any of its surrounding communities, or really just anywhere in the state of Florida, we would love to be of assistance. Thanks again for watching. I'm A Bissen, and this is Unconventional Lending.